Morning, diggers. In beautiful Chicago. The beautiful moon out in the sky, clear skies. It's gonna warm up to about 88 degrees today. And gonna hit the beach a little bit. It's been closed, but I'm gonna see if I can find anything old that's been dropped and just get my exercise and wish you well. Beautiful Chicago. And everybody's out exercising and biking already. But I had to walk 3/4 of a mile to get over here because they closed the parking lot. They're being really stringent about getting into this beach. So hopefully, I don't think they're gonna kick me off. It's just letting us walk through just as long as we're not parking. All right, I'll let you know when I find my first target. Okay, here's my first target, guys. It's a 21, just right on the surface. Let's get this one out, see what it is. Just right on the surface. See if I could get this in first scoop. Got it. Got it. Let's see what it is. Wash it out. Just a penny, probably. Yeah, penny. Crusty penny. All right, Memorial. I'll let you guys know when I find something else. See what we find. No lifeguards on duty, so I don't know how far I'm going to venture onto the water. So we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, I wish I would have turned it on, the camera. My second target is this ring. I'm looking to see if I got marks. I got in the water and it looks like it's silver. I don't see any markings though, but it's like I don't know if it's a real turquoise or not, but there's this drop off. There's this drop off right here. Oh, son of a bitch. The water's cold and it's a good wave. All right, but I think this is silver. I'm gonna have to do a test because it's getting some green to it, but I don't see any markings. So I'm gonna have to get this home and look a little closer. But I'm gonna work this line and stay in the water. I gotta pull my wetsuit on because the water's pretty damn cold. But I don't see any markings. But this is a good sign. Right at the drop off, my first target, and nobody's on the beach. I don't see anybody detecting. So first ring in this. All right, guys, I got a signal here. It sounds like it's on the surface. It sounds like it's when it's on the surface. It's right here, but when I'm going over it, but when I pinpoint it, it's deep. It seems to be a little deeper. So I don't know. It could be a falsing. Well, let's see if I can get this. And if it's, I'm right on top of it there. It says 6 inches, but if it's anything stuck in the sands, it's got to be heavy because these waves are really kicking and it's going to take any debris and move it. So let's see if I could get it. There's a lot of heavy rock here. So anything that's sitting is going to... I didn't get much of a scoop, so I don't know if I got it. Well, I don't hear it. Let's see. Let's see. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Huh, I missed it. It could be a can, a deep can. Because you get a weird falsing with the deep cans. I think it's a deep can. Now it's breaking up real bad. Now I'm not getting... All right, let's try it one more time at least. Get a little better scoop this time. Let's see if I got it. I think I got it this time if it's something. Oh, just a dime. All right. It was giving me a strange signal. It's really broken up. Hey guys, I got a second signal here. Hopefully you can see this. It's bouncing around. The signal's bouncing around. It's not that deep, but it's right at that brake line again too. So let me see if I could get this. Let me pinpoint it. I got the signal both ways. It's an 18 when I'm pinpointing it. Let me see if I can get it through. It's not that deep. Ah, missed it. Ah, wave. It's getting choppy. I'm surprised. They said there was going to be not so much chop to the lake today. Let's see if I got it in the first scoop. I missed it. I missed it. Let me try again. Right on top of it. See if I got it this time. Might have got it. Second scoop. Ah! Okay, guys, I gotta walk to my car and get the wireless ones that, the wired ones that are waterproof, because the waves are picking up a little bit and it's splashing, because I gotta get to that brake line in there behind that, and I'm dropping off into water a little bit, and then every once in a while the wave rolls up on me. But got that silver ring so far, and silver ring, and people are starting to show up, but I think that working that line is gonna help, so I'm gonna get the waterproof headset, and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, I wasted a half hour, probably over that, walking back to the car to get my waterproof earphones, and the other ones aren't turning on. Maybe when they dry out they'll turn on. When I was walking back to the car they were on, but now they're off. So hopefully, lesson learned, you guys. You gotta wear the waterproof stuff when you're in the water. Alright guys, I just got kicked off the beach. Chicago is unbelievable. They're kicking everybody off the beach. This is ridiculous. So it's okay for the restaurants to open and businesses to work and schools to open, but we can't sit outside and keep moving. So the people can walk on the pavement, but they're kicking everybody out. So alright, well, I didn't find much, you guys. I found out one silver ring. Policemen are doing their job. They're just keeping everybody out of the city. But it's a shame. There's a nice shelf here. I was finding a couple heavy targets, so I was thinking maybe I'd find one more ring. All right, happy hunting, guys. Heading home. I'm tired. These waves kicked my ass. All right, guys, ended the hunt. All they got was this one ring that looks like it's almost homemade. It's really old, and looks like it's a turquoise, but the solder broke on it at one point. I don't know if I did that. I don't think it was like that when I put it in my pouch, so I probably broke it. I could probably have it repaired and give it to my honey. So, but I don't see any markings. But some of these old ones didn't have the markings, because I found some Indian jewelry that was like this on a old orphanage, and it was all silver. It turned out to be all silver, rang up really nice, and it was the same type of jewelry like this. So it's handmade jewelry. When they mark it like this, sometimes they don't make it like this. They don't mark it. So, all right, happy hunting, guys. I wish I wouldn't have been kicked off the beach, and I'll try to get out again soon, make another video. See you. Bye.